Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to explain you how to time your entries using RSI. Okay, so today the market view is bullish and market has gone almost 100 points from day low, and I'm looking for a pullback to enter my trade. Okay, so the nearest RSI level is 60, so I will plan to enter my trade when the RSI touches 60 zone. Let's add this strategy using our Scalper. So first I'm clicking RSI CE entry. Here I'm going to give RSI less than or equal to 60 levels. So RSI less than or equal to 60. So when the RSI touches 60, it will trigger entry. Okay. Okay, the price touched the RSI 60 and the order got placed. You see the PNL here. My internet got disconnected. I hope you understand how to place orders using RSI 60. If you have any queries, please let me know in comments. Join our Telegram group to get more information about this Scalper. Okay. Thank you for watching.